clearly see, I did my brows off camera. It's just easier that way. Okay, so we're gonna start off with the eyes, and I'm gonna bust out my Jaclyn Hill palette. So I'm gonna go in with the color Pukey. I don't know where she came up with this name, but I'm just gonna use this and warm up my crease. So I'm gonna go in with this color Enchanted. It's also a matte color, and I'm just gonna use this to map out my crease area because I'm trying to do a smoky halo eye if this works out, but I just really want to focus this on the outer. Ooh, it's so pigmented, it's so scary. Just here in the crease. I know it looks really funny, but this is just going to be on the crease area, and I'm gonna buff it out. Maybe it's better if I just use this brush first. Maybe not. Guys, I got a Thai massage yesterday. Woo! It was a really nice massage, to be honest, but this girl, she like went into town on my back and shoulders. She's like, "You're so tight." I was like, "I know, I have a lot of tension because I'm always on the computer. I'm a makeup artist, so I stand, my back hurts, like everything." So I'm not sure if you guys have gotten the Thai massage before, but basically when you check in, you have this little chart, and it has a picture of a person, and basically you can X out the areas that you don't want to have any attention to it, or you can circle, and you can, you know, choose soft, medium, or hard. So basically I just did the medium, but I swear to God, she was like hella hard on me, but she was trying to get all the knots and everything out, and I was like, I understand that, but it's just like a little too rough. I mean, it's a good massage. I know I complain about it because it hurts afterwards, but it is actually a really good massage. So like last night when I got home, it was so hard for me to like sleep, and we have a sleep number bed now, which is kind of cool because you can adjust the pressure and firmness and softness of the mattress, which is a good thing. But I felt like, because I felt so uncomfortable, I didn't want my bed to be too soft where I woke up like, ugh, like, you know, just all like weird and jello-y, you know? So what I did was I just left it at 100, which is like the normal, or at 95 actually. I don't know why, it was a weird number, but I just left it like that. But this morning I woke up and I was like, ooh, I feel good. All right, so I'm just really blending the rest all over and diffusing the color so there's a softer transition, and there's not much color left on my brush right now, so I'm not really worried about having it too like bold and crazy looking, although it does look like that right now. I'm gonna go in with this jade color, which is Diva, and this is where I'm just gonna fill in my lid space. This shadow, I'm just literally packing it on my lid space here. It has enough pigment that if I wanted to slide it around, I could do that too. I like to pack on the color first, and then I can go ahead and shape out my crease. And guys, I've been using this Grande Lash Serum. I don't know how I feel about it because I feel like my lashes are like the same. It's been 3 weeks today. I've actually taken pictures every Friday because I started 3 Fridays ago. The first week I didn't really apply too much on my eyes because I wanted to make sure that I didn't have an allergic reaction to the product on my skin. So I just did it like a light amount, but the next 2 weeks I was like slathering it on. So I'm hoping it does something. I can show you guys the pictures of how it looks like. But I don't know. My lashes are just so thin. I mean, I kind of see that it did a little bit, but not really. So I'm gonna use the other side of this brush, and I'm gonna take that Enchanted color one more time, and I'm just gonna focus this right at the crease. Just going back in with that blending brush and just softly diffusing that line. I know it looks so messy right now, but I'm gonna clean it up. Comment below if you guys have used the Grande Lash Serum, guys. I wanna know results. I've actually seen some of the girls that I work with use it and it works so well. I don't know if it's just my type of hair on my eyes that it's really thin and it's just not growing fast, or maybe the first week I didn't put enough. But then again, it's supposed to work within like a few weeks, they said. But I mean, everyone is different, so I'm not giving up on that. I'm gonna see how that goes. Okay, so I decided not to do like that cut crease there with the matte color, so because it kind of went over the sheen, which I always say like try not to go over the matte with the sheen because it just peeks through. What I'm just gonna do is just have the outer corners more matte. That green shirt was a little much with what I had going on. So I'm gonna go ahead and just curl my lashes a slight bit. Just gonna use my Marc Jacobs Omega mascara. I'm not doing anything crazy just because I'm still gonna wear falsies. I'm just gonna let the glue dry as normal and I'll work on my face. Okay, so today I'm gonna be out and I'm gonna use my Cover FX Water Cloud, and this does have sunscreen protection. It's really cool because it's kind of like bluish too. I don't know what's the theme going on today with this bluish green, but I think someone's ready for St. Patty's Day. Pat this in my skin. This has like a nice cooling property too. Ooh, and Cover FX has this new highlighter palette. I'm so excited! I'm gonna be using the new Giorgio Armani Power Fabric Concealer. Shameless plug, because if you guys haven't seen this demo and review, I'll insert that for you. I still have that nasty scab going on here from that weird ass pimple. Like, it was so weird in the bizarre spot, and oh, I hate it. It's just healing so slowly. The texture is almost gone, but I feel like it's gonna leave a little bit of a scar or some kind of discoloration. I'm hoping not. Normal? Not normal. Cleaned up the shadows just a little bit, but I'm still going to smoke it out on the bottom because I don't want it to look so top heavy. This is such a perfect color for me. I could just like spot treat my face and just wear that. I'm gonna be using a new foundation. Well, actually, it's a really old foundation, but new to me because I haven't used it yet. This is the Dior AirFlash. I have 300 and 400. I don't think I'm that tan yet, so I'm gonna go in with the 300. I haven't used this yet. I heard lots of good things about it. I am more of a combo skin. This does give you more of a matte finish. I exfoliated today with a Tatcha rice powder, and I hydrated really well with the Drunk Elephant, so I think using this formulation, it should be pretty smooth with that primer. So let's go ahead and use this. Now, it's weird because I don't know if you're supposed to like spray your face, the back of your hand, the brush. I have no idea. Let's just give this a try, and it's probably gonna get all over me. Does it smell? It's so weird. It's like, do you not breathe? Ooh, it got on there pretty well. I'm gonna try spraying it on here. Ooh, seems like a lot of product. It smells weird. I don't like products that smell like this. I don't know, maybe because my skin is on the drier side? Ooh, it feels really soft and powdery. But it didn't really cover much of my redness here. If anything, I felt like it took it away. Maybe I'm using the wrong type of brush. I don't know. I wasn't properly educated on how to use this, but it was gifted to me, so I appreciate that. Extremely flammable. Anywho, I'm gonna go in with that same Enchanted color, and I'm just going to tightline the bottom nicely. I'm like, let's try this again. I'm like, ma'am, Smokey Eyes supposed to be this messy? So I'm gonna take that blending brush one more time. I'm gonna go in with that color Pukey, and I'm just going to feather this really lightly at the crease. So I'm gonna take a pencil brush. Now this is some extreme eyes here. So I'm gonna take a pencil brush and highlight my brow bones in my inner eye corner with the color. I'm gonna use a pink color. Faint. And the faint is like a nice fainty pink color, hence faint. Let's start off with this brow. I'm gonna go in with my inner eye. Finish up the rest of the face. I'm gonna use this e.l.f. blush brush because this foundation actually is really, really nice. It just doesn't look like it right now. So I'm gonna use the Tarte and use this to sculpt out my cheekbones. Haven't used this in a while, and I really like this because it's like a true matte and it's a cool tone color. And I feel like it really does its job. Why do I feel and look like an alien, guys? In with my Dose of Colors Fuego highlighter. Pretty. Although I think I went a bit overboard. Tightline my waterline with a green pencil this time. This is just a regular green MAC pencil. This color is called Blue Noon. It's actually one of their summer collections years ago. I don't remember the name of it. Maybe it's on here. Don't know, but the color is Blue Noon. And it's just basically a like green color. Nothing special. Gonna attempt an eyeliner, guys. Okay, gotta put my dog down. You gotta sit like right there, baby. I literally used to be like eyeliner queen, winged eyeliner, and I haven't done it in so long. I don't know. Like on myself, it's really hard, but on other people, I'd be like, you know? All right, I think that just did enough. I didn't want to go too winged out because sometimes it makes my eyes look weird, but I feel like it needed a little bit of dimension on that lash line because it was looking kind of empty. I don't know what kind of occasion this is, but I'm gonna go in with the blush. I'm gonna take this Givenchy color. It's kind of like a coral orangey color. It's not too strong, it's not too bright. I think this will tie well with the green. Yep, just enough color. My lips, I'm gonna go in with lips, I'm gonna go in with one of my favorite drugstore lippies right now. This is the NYX Butter Gloss in the color Tiramisu. And please stay tuned because I know I said I'm gonna have my drugstore makeup look coming up. I will, I promise. It's just been kind of crazy these past days. To fix my crazy hair, I'll be right back. If you guys like this dramatic smoky eye here that I normally don't do, please give this video a big thumbs up. I just styled my hair a really lazy way. What I did was I just did a quick little bend at the tail here, fluffed up my pony, brought little pieces here to frame my face, kind of asymmetrical going on here. And that is it. I think this look is really cute. It's so dramatic, but it's something I normally don't do. But I think this look would be perfect, especially for this weekend since it's St. Patrick's Day. Well, here is my quick smoky eye glam. If you guys enjoyed this and want to see more videos like this, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. So I normally don't do dramatic smoky eyes like this, so I thought it'd be kind of cool to do something new. If you enjoyed this video and videos like this or want to see more, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to like this video, and I'll see you guys on my next one. Alright guys, have a fun and safe St. Patty's Day. Drink up, drink some green beer, wear green everything, otherwise I'm coming and pinch you. Alright guys, I'll see you guys next time. Bye!